Fingernails to go. You can see the impact of rapidly advancing technologies in absolutely all aspects of our lives today. People's appearance and ways of self-expression are no exception. For example, here is a genuine vending machine which sells nail art designs. This amazing device is basically a very clever printer. It was developed by Fingernails to Go, a company from Northern Ireland. The engineers faced two difficulties while creating the machine. The first was making a printer that could print the image not on a flat surface, but on a convex one, like a nail. The second was to create an ink that would meet the requirements and standards of all countries. Both tasks, in the end, were completed. The result is a device that provides unlimited opportunities to create nail designs. You can print an image from a gallery containing over 1,000 images, or you can connect a USB flash drive and print your own designs. Gold to go. As you know, cash is not the best way to save money. Buying precious metal shouldn't be a hard or time-consuming process. Most likely, that is why automatic machines like Gold to Go were developed. This is an amazing invention from TG Gold Supermarket. It's basically a vending machine that sells gold ingots. The first device was installed in Abu Dhabi, in the lobby of the Emirates Palace Hotel. Today, you can find them in different parts of the world, from Europe to Peru and the United States. Gold to Go sells 24-karat gold. Ingots weighing from 1 to 250 grams are available. There are also gift options, such as various souvenir coins. Everything about Gold to Go is remarkable, even the appearance. Even the surface of the machine is covered with gold leaf. Coca-Cola Freestyle. Contactless shopping is not new, but only in 2020 we truly understood how much we needed it. And so, Coca-Cola has offered its own contactless vending machines. These are amazing beverage dispensers that are different from any other on the market. First, you don't have to talk to people to make a purchase, and second, you don't have to touch any surfaces. You make your order through a mobile app. You scan a QR code on the screen, open the link where you can choose one out of 32 different brands. Then, you have to pick the drink and its taste. For example, for Coca-Cola it is classic, cherry, vanilla, and so on. Next, you just need to pick up the filled glass. Pizza ATM. We are used to the fact that if you want to have a snack while you're out, we have to choose between cafes, restaurants, snack bars, and sometimes stores. However, this situation may change in the near future, because there are already vending machines that sell hot fast food. Take a look at this Pizza ATM. It's not difficult to guess what it offers to its customers. The operating principle is quite simple. Inside there is a fridge which holds up to 70 boxes of pizza. The customer selects the one they want on the display and pays for it. After that, the machine takes out the right box and sends the pizza to the oven, where it's heat treated at about 230 degrees Celsius. The whole process takes just a few minutes, but it's enough to make the dough crunchy and warm up the toppings. Fresh pizzas are delivered to this machine every morning. During the heating process, they don't come into contact with any surfaces other than the box, so the dish meets all sanitary standards. Sally 2.0. Here is a similar machine, but this one will appeal much more to fans of healthy food because its specialty is salads. Moreover, you can see the process with your own eyes. It only takes a few seconds to prepare a single dish, and again, it's not complicated at all. Inside the machine, you can see a large number of different containers. They store the already sliced and cut ingredients, such as lettuce, cherry tomatoes, baby spinach, edamame, cucumbers, and much more. When you choose a dish and pay for the order, the containers begin to rotate. Ingredients are poured onto the plate one after the other according to the recipe. The containers are filled with fresh products on a daily basis, or as they are emptied. They are also kept cool so that the food remains fresh and crisp. The containers can be changed during the day to make breakfast, lunch, or dinner recipes. And of course, when choosing a dish, the customer can see detailed information about its caloric value. Brompton Bike Hire Dock. However, not all the machines that dispense vehicles are huge. This compact box, for example, can be used to rent a bike. You can stumble upon it while in the UK. But how do bikes fit into such a small box, you ask? The thing is that they are folding bikes. For this reason, one machine can accommodate at least 8 of them. At the moment throughout the UK, you can find over 40 bike vending machines. In addition to efficiently using space, the machines from Brompton Bike Hire stand out for their eco-friendly design. A solar panel on the roof allows them to independently generate electricity to work. It's noteworthy that the company is building its own community. After signing in on the website and paying, the user gets a code that gives temporary access to the bike. Thus, the Brompton Bike Hire eliminates the need to buy your own bike and then try to find a place to store it. With the Brompton Bike Hire, you can easily find one anywhere without any contact with people. Carvana vending machine. What you're seeing here is probably the biggest vending machine in the world. However, its developers couldn't make it any smaller because you can use it to buy a car. The American company Carvana offered this innovative service several years ago. One vending machine is located in Atlanta and the other is in Nashville. The order is made with the help of a website, where each car can be viewed from all sides through a virtual tour. When the choice is made, you have to come to the machine, throw a special coin inside, and then just enjoy the view. Automated mechanisms take out the car from a huge 5-story tower and move it to the box, where it can be picked up. Amazingly, the record time for a deal made in the machine is 11 minutes. Flower vending machine. The last device we want to show you was developed especially for florists and owners of flower shops. This machine is a good way to optimize the work and increase income. Flowers are loaded beforehand, and thanks to a special microclimate inside the machine, the flowers stay fresh. In addition, it has many advantages. First, the machine stimulates spontaneous purchases. The client just passes by, sees some flowers, and decides to buy a bouquet. The second is that it saves time, both for the seller and the buyer. The purchase is made in just 60 seconds. And the third advantage is that the machine works around the clock without weekends, even if the store is closed or the seller has gone out. The manufacturer, the Italian company Automatique, offers several models of different sizes. The number of compartments for bouquets varies from 6 to 48.
Hi friends, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button and keep supporting us. Thank you.